Okay, you're looking at Ego Intelligence DIMEX demonstration of the statistical module, and what you see here at the bottom is a group called DCFs, Data Capture Forms, and you can see we had 10 in February 2008, 3 in March, 8 in April, and I'll scroll over here so you can see we had 1 in June. Now, these reports are dynamic, which means you pull them in real time. You can see what's going on in your department. And not just tips and leads, but you can look at RFIs, or requests for information, and you can also look at how many workbooks you might have in your department. If I want to look at the detail, I just click on the bar chart itself, and it will pull back the detail for me. These confirmation IDs are system-generated IDs. Each tip and lead is representative of its own unique identifier here. There's an activity date and time, which are reported at time of incident. There's a crime type, which is categorized here. And these other columns show the status. These are all active tips. This last one is a closed tip. The creation date and time are captured in this column. And the last column here, public and internal, shows us inside of our department, we can tell whether these tips were generated or created internally, maybe from a phone call and they were entered internally by our staff, or whether they were created through an optionally configured public-facing URL where public can create their own tips or submit them, and then we'll know where they came from. And again, there are different ways to pull, different options to pull information. You can look at monthly reports, yearly reports, daily, workbook by status, dissemination totals, monthly, yearly, or daily. And this gives us a pretty good view of what's going on inside of our operation at any point in time in real time. If you want more information on DIMEX or Ego Intelligence, please drop us an email.